has everything that we need. They got tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers. There's another thing, we want green beans. I wonder if they have. It was a beautiful spring day near the end of May, and it was time for us to put the garden in for the year. So we took a trip around the corner to our local greenhouse, Skinkles, in search of some great-looking vegetable plants. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Come along with us as we take this first step to growing some delicious vegetables to store away for the year. All right, should we start filling up a flat?
Here's one, almost empty.
There's some empty ones right there.
Remember we got bush pickles.
Bush pickles. Okay, let's grab a couple of those.
Pretty sure.
Oh, they're right here too. Okay. Oh, should we get some crooked neck squash?
Crooked neck?
Yellow squash? That's the kind I fry up. Oh, our life is completely recorded.
Not completely.
Well, we needed to get plants for our garden, so we stopped at Skinkles. They've been in business for 75 years now. We even had a chance to speak to one of the owners of this awesome place. Got to hear some of the family history of this small business.
And I have there's four of us girls on my dad's side, and then my uncle has 3 kids, and the business has been left to us 7 kids. So now we're trying to figure out if we can keep it going, working it together. So
Wow.
we're in the 75th year.
Grandchildren of the original
Yes.
owners.
Of the original owners, yeah. So my uncle pretty much has been the one, this is what he did, and my dad was a band director for Jackson Public Schools for 30 years.
Oh,
and
wow.
just helped as my uncle, needed it.
We got 2 red grapes, the sweet 100s, which we planted last year, Roma tomatoes, and some zucchini.
Stop down at Skinkles on Lansing Ave. It's a wonderful business.